There are more developments coming in from the Supreme Court. Now, Justice Joymalya Bagchi, who is hearing the matter alongside Justice Surya Kant, has noted that there is some elbow room given to the Election Commission in Section 21(3) of the Representation of the People Act. He said that the Section 21(3) mandates that the Election Commission can conduct a special revision in such a manner as it may deem fit. The judge also asked whether this provision gives Election Commission some residuary discretion to bring additions or elements such as enumeration forms and additional documents to strengthen its special revision exercise. So these are pertinent questions that have been raised by the justice who is hearing the petition, Justice Bagchi. He's given the leeway to the Election Commission that it can perform the revision exercise as it deems fit. Or he is also demanded to know whether this provision gives the Election Commission some discretion to add elements or subtract elements with regards to the enumeration forms, additional documents, which was also one of the key contentions that was raised by the Congress party leaders and other opposition leaders with regards to the Bihar SIR that was being conducted by the Election Commission.
Well, yes, see, anything conclusive cannot be said at this point of time because hearing is underway in the Supreme Court and judges are asking questions, quoting, sometimes they are quoting Election Commission to the petitioners, sometimes they are quoting petitioners to the Election Commission and seeking their response, their reply, and detailed hearing is going on. So anything, conclusive cannot be said. It is up to the Supreme Court to say anything conclusive in this, although these are the oral remarks made by, judges are making in the courtroom. And they are, as Justice Surya Kant is saying, whatever qualifications required, they are done by the provisos of it, and they are talking about a particular act of the Parliament. And here Justice Bagchi is saying that they have not undone earlier rules. They, as in the Election Commission of India, they presuppose existence of 2003 rules, 2003 taken as a milestone. So when Gopal Shankar Narayan is talking of earlier rules of the Election Commission of India, so this is a kind of the bench is asking certain kind of questions to the petitioner, and also bench is quoting petitioner to the Election Commission and seeking their response, their reply. So this is what is going on in the court number 2. And Justice Bagchi is also talking about Article 325 of Indian Constitution. He is saying that the residuary power has to be read with Article 325 of Constitution, and also talking about some subsections of certain rules, certain laws, like subsection 3 of earlier rules of the Election Commission, and one important argument made by Gopal Shankar Narayan is if burden on Election Commission of India under the Act is so strong, they have to adhere to it. So here, likewise, what Abhishek Manu Singhvi said in the court is that Election Commission is to adhere to the earlier rules, earlier laws made by them only, and they are not adhering to, they are not consulting the state.
Right.
And
okay.
likewise,
Sambhav, thanks for giving us that update. We'll take